Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share it. So friends, you are watching the beautiful kitchen drawers color combination because there's a reason that cabinet should be your first consideration when choosing a kitchen color scheme. Depending on what material and hardware you use, kitchen cabinets typically consume half your kitchen renovation budget and take up approximately 40 to 50% of the visual space in your kitchen. So it should be a good idea to use your choice of kitchen cabinets as the foundation for future color choices. What to do? Choose a color, texture and material that fits your personality, budget and style of your home. Don't overthink things, just add. Simply select cabinet that speak to you and move on. Choose your appliance colors. It's completely possible that you may option for built-in goods will likely to tuck beyond your choice of cabinetry, in case you can move, you will go with freestanding appliance. You will have to consider how the appliances fronts match with the rest of your cabinets. Your cabinetry cannot be finalized until you know exactly which appliance you intend to purchase. So what to do? When it comes to appliances, your fridge, dishwasher and sink will have the biggest impact on your kitchen color scheme. You'll want your appliance to look part of the plan. To do that, simply choose appliances that complement your cabinet color scheme. Consider matching white goods with white or light grey cabinetry. Stainless steel appliances go well with brown. Use vibrant colors and shades of grey. These things might seem obvious at first, but it's something many people get wrong. Select your countertops. Your choice of kitchen countertops is an important decision for many reasons other than practical and budget consideration. Countertops are often close to eye level, occupying a significant portion of your visual space. If there is no cohesion between the countertop and cabinets, the visual harmony in your kitchen will fall apart. So what to do? When selecting countertop, first eliminate any options that are outside of your budget. Then consider the color of your existing kitchen floor. Matching these two colors is a foolproof way of ensuring good color coordination. If you intend to upgrade or replace your floors, simply. So guys, I hope that you like this video. So please subscribe to my channel,